Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Presiden ka Bharatiya Janata Party Urikman Momen henne kasngi ka arpunyotrik ukla lingkod 8,000 apusan habakren bat kinong thok khobor uloong bakas Seng ka don jingkermen banle bha ha kani ka election MDC ha ki HADC bat JHADC ula ban rapru da ka boong bakila penyeng ya ki kertong ki baklan bat umla ban ong kat nungut kin job baro ka syong hakipat ba ki bathap vote yanu kin penjob Ulaong ru baka BJP kala depen bena ya ki kerteng jang ki kertong bat kim don shu da Kiwei pat ki bakin penyeng habaya day bat kakamti doyong bian umomen ulaong ba uyo sngow halor kani Henry kim pat yo ya kanu ka jing ujor shaki ulaong ru baka Seng kan sa thau da ka committee banti benia halor kani ulaong ru baka HADC bat JHADC kanum don da ka wei ka Seng bakan la ban thau executive committee kan don kam ya Kiwei pat ki Seng bat Lada ka BJP kan job bon kan lum lang ya Kiwei ki Seng bakin Ïatreilang.
Who can predict how many seats?
But
No
how
one
many
can predict.
expecting?
But we have given a potential. We have given a potential candidates for this coming election.
But how many are you expecting?
So from Jaintia Hills, 5 we have already given. It's up to God and the public who cast their vote for our development.
And from Khasi Hills,
Khasi Hills also same thing.
but how many are you expecting? At least expectation will be there, right?
No, I will not say expecting because we expect and we give the candidate. If it is God's wish that let all the candidate wins,
But
even 14.
Are there any more names or
And there is no more. No.
this is
We
the
have
final
complete-
list?
yeah, we have given the finalists.
So coming back to the manifesto, you are,
Already we are going with that only.
but what are you doing? Illegal mining. There are a lot of cases of illegal mining. You are not talking about it.
Then we will take it up.
So-
We will take it up.
do you think that illegal mining is going on in the state?
I heard that there is.
So it will be an election agenda.
Huh?
It will be raised in the campaign.
Yes, illegal mining too, we will do it. But right now there is no reported at all to us as a party. But we heard from verbal speaking from the people.
So will you make it an election agenda during your campaign?
Yes, if there is.
No, since you have heard from others verbally.
Yeah.
So will you take
Yeah,
it
we
up?
will be forming a fact-finding committee according to that, like we are doing it.
So another thing is that
Power, we will do it.
Since you district council,
I think so, because we have a number, 14 numbers, 14 members we have already given. So we are confident on our candidate to win. We are not just giving as a candidate, but to win,
do you
to
see?
work for the people.
Do you see?
Single party though it's not possible, but like-minded people will support us.
you are supporting the NPP-led government. Don't you think that this will also affect because of anti-incumbency?
Yeah, some of them it should be.
You are supporting NPP.
Since we are aligned with this MD government, I think the same is working hard. Let's see. Because I cannot just blind like that without any documentation. So now we are in the coalition, so we have to support this MD government. Thank you. That's all.